Hey, how's it going? I thought I'd make this quick video for anybody that is taking lessons here in the Now Learning platform, the way that I am. I find it kind of funny, so let me show you what I mean. When I launch a lesson, I found it funny that you have all this space down here at the bottom, right? You get this little pop-up, which is great for your education, but now I find myself scrolling. I thought it was kind of silly that we're not using this space, so I fixed it with a bookmarklet, and there you go, which I think is great, right? It just adjusts the some of the styling here on the page. The code is down below if you want to use it right away, so you don't have to watch the rest of this video. If you do not know what just happened, basically what's happening is that I use some JavaScript here on client side with a bookmarklet. A bookmarklet allows you to run some code here on your browser. So I'm going to go through it real quick to show you exactly how this works. So I'm going to refresh my page. Once, by the way, if you refresh the page, the code that you just executed goes away. So now we're back to the small little container that we have in here. So what you want to do basically is two things. Actually, just one thing, because I already got the class, right, for this particular container. Basically, what you just want to do is you want to know how big you want to adjust the height. And to do that is you want to right click here on this container and click on inspect, and then navigate down to this element. When I already did that, I found out that this is in fact an iframe. Let me just pull this down so you can see what I mean. Right here, you see as I hover over this one, it already highlights this section of the page. And we can see that this is an iframe with the class of scorm iframe, which I already have it in here. Is added. So simple JavaScript, it creates a variable and then does a query selector for this particular class. And then what it does is an if-else statement, and then it just adjusts the height. I already have it in there for me, but this is what is going to change for you. So if we go back to the page, we want to see, this depends on the size of your screen. Go down here and click on computed. Let me move this all the way up. And now you just want to scroll down to the height. You want to see how the exact height that is computed right now. So right now we're at 700 pixels. You want to click on this little blue guy, and instead of the height of being 50 EM, so EM is just another measurement instead of using pixels, if you hover over it, you get this little arrow, and then you want to click on it, hold, and then start moving this guy, and then just kind of like eyeball it to see, like for example right there, it looks pretty good at 57 EM. I want to click on it. I think 57.5 is what works for me, right? So I know that 57.5 is my adjustment. So then I go back here, and then that's where I put it as 57.5 EM. Again, this is what you want to change on your end. As you can see, when I close this, now this is perfect. It covers the screen, and then I'm able to continue my learning, right? Just keep on going until the next lesson. If the page gets refreshed, that's when I need to change that code. So anyways, once you have this little set of code in here with the height that you want, all you want to do is grab it. You want to make a copy of it, and you want to go back in here into your browser. So I already created this iframe, but all you basically want to do is just, you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on add page, and then you want to name this whatever you want. So I call them frame. You can call it lesson frame, and then here, this is where you want to paste that code that we just copied, right? And then click on save, and that's it. So I'm gonna take that guy, the lesson frame that I just created, I'll put it right here. So when I refresh this page, it's gonna bring me right back to this small window, and then when I click on it right there, it adjusts the size of the screen. So yeah, just a quick video to anybody that's going through their training. Hopefully that helps you, and keep on going. I know I am. Anyways, take care. Bye bye.